Dear students, today we are going to learn about rule of law. Law is a system of rules. What is law? Law is a system of rules. It is a system of norms written in a book and which is prepared and enforced by governmental organizations. And these rules are prepared. Law books are made by governmental organizations like the parliament and judiciary. These organizations which prepare and enforce law are: one is parliament. All the laws are made in the parliament. The representatives to which we choose during election, these representatives sit in this office, parliament, and discuss on the matter and decide that how to do this or not to do. And judiciary, if any law is not enacted in any part of the country or is being violated, then the judiciary is meant to issue order to executive to implement that. In the picture, the building you see is our parliament. All the proceedings for making laws are done here. This is our High Court, High Court of Rajasthan, the Temple of Justice. This office provides justice to all the people, irrespective of their caste, race, color, etc. And is enacted on general public. As I have told you that laws are prepared by parliament, and these laws are meant for general public, people of the country. Rule of law means that all law apply equally to all the citizens of a country. Rule of law means, what is rule of law? What is rule of law means? Rule of law means that law is equally available for all the citizens of a country, all the people of the country, irrespective of their castes. Irrespective of their caste means without saying that what is their caste, what is their color, what is their sex, what is their race, what is their religion, or anything else. and neither a governmental official, a healthy person, nor the president of the country is above the law. Law is equally available for all people. If a person belongs to any category, from poor to rich, peon to president, are equal before law. If any person is governmental official, works in government office, or he is a rich person, or he is the president of the country, he is equal before law. He is not above the law. Violations of law is subject to punishment. If any person will violate law, if any person will not obey law, he is subject to punishment, means that he will be punished as per the norms of law, as per the rule which is mentioned in the law, that how to punish a person for a particular crime. There are numerous examples of violations. We see lot of violations in society of law which we observe in the society. One is the most common violation of the law is the disobedience of traffic rules. In our societies, in our villages and cities, we see numerous violations. For example, people are fighting with each other. In our houses, male people are beating females. Violating the rights of other people, so on. But the one most common problem which we see is that people do not obey the rules of traffic. Many people who run various type of vehicles, motorcycles, pedestrians, often not follow on traffic rules. We see not all people, but few people of our society who runs various types of vehicles, who drive various types of vehicles. For example, bus drivers, truck drivers, car drivers, or bike riders run very fast. drive very fast or try to overcome, which results in traffic accidents. And bike riders often do not use helmets. It is also a violation of rule. Pedestrians often not follow on traffic rules. People who walk on roads often not follow on traffic rules. Here in the picture you see that a police person asks scooter rider about his helmet. The person who rides on the scooter is his no helmet. This is the violation. Motorcycle riders often refrain from using helmets or drive very fast. This is the common problems. Bike riders, motorcycle riders, scooter riders often refrain, often avoid using helmets, or they drive very fast. Similarly, the pedestrian are not use the proper places for crossing the roads. People who walk on the roads also sometimes do not obey the rule of law. In order to cross the road quickly, they take shortcuts without using proper places which are meant for crossing the roads. For example, zebra crossing or overbridge or underground bridges, because it take time. This is also a violation of law, which results in the accidents and create problems for the government. In this situation, when a person crosses the road from a different side, from a different place, he come in accident, and this thing creates problems for the government authorities. Here in the picture you see that this person is crossing the roads from zebra crossing. The area with white patches is zebra crossing. This area is meant for crossing road on foot. It is proper habit. It is good habit. but some people do not follow. I think you would have understood the lesson. You would have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.